after 6 in the morning. I am hunting in Illinois with my brother Brett and his good friends. I got invited to come on this hunt. Land of the Giants, I hope. They put me in a redneck blind over a cut cornfield. When it gets later, I'll shoot some video of that. But we are in Illinois on the opening day of the late gun season. Freaking place is like a deer hunter's dream. Drove around last night, saw a ton of does. So, big bucks here, big bucks. So when it gets light out, I'll do some other video, and hopefully we see some big deer. We're here for a couple of days. This is my view. see anything all day till about 40 minutes ago, and then all these does, ton of does started pouring out into the cornfield and around the stand and stuff. No bucks. So it's getting pretty dark now, so pack up, call it a day. There's another deer out in the cornfield. It's 6:15 on December 2nd, second day here in Illinois. Sun's coming up, a little breezy. I'm in a different stand looking over, I think a bean field, I was told. This is my view from day 2, morning stand. It's 5 to 3 in the afternoon on Friday the 2nd of December. Back in the same blind as we were this morning. Hoping to see some more. I'm hoping it's like last night. When it gets close to the sun going down, that they start pouring out. Supposedly that's what I'm told that they do. Saw those few deer in the dark when Warren came down. And I saw a doe cut across not too far from here. And then when I was waiting for Brett to pick me up, I saw a deer, just the ass end of a deer, crossing the road. Crossing the road over there. Came down through this draw, and unfortunately I was over there. So I'm not sure what it was, but I saw a couple deer. It's like 60 degrees now, and still really windy. So temperature and wind are definitely playing a part. So hopefully we'll have some good action this afternoon. Saturday, December 3rd. It's 6:45. We're in Illinois still. The boys put me up in the trombone stand. Overlooks a big draw. Sun's coming up. It's a good morning. Temperature dropped again. It's like low mid-20s. Winds finally changed. It's out of the north-northwest. So it's cold, so hopefully the deer will be up on their feet, moving around, and we have some action today. Hopefully. I just looked around the tree and said, that looks like a buck down there. And sure as shit, it's a buck laying down. Probably been down there all morning.
Sir?
Howdy, howdy.
How are you? Yeah, we're.
Yeah.
About time you guys got here.
He's lying.
All packed up?
He's heading out.
How you guys all doing?
Good, very good.
You have some pizza?
I did, thank
You
you.
did already. I did. I'm cruising. Have fun.
You're ready to
Shoot
roll.
something, you guys. Especially you.
Yeah.
All right, it's 2:45. I'm out for the afternoon hunt. I came back to the same spot I was in this morning. I saw those 2 bucks. The wind has completely died down. It's still cool. Looks like it should be a good afternoon. So I'm hoping things are gonna filter on up from the bottom out to the bean field back there. Brett's hunting over that way in the big tree stand is what they call it. So I'm feeling good about this afternoon. Everything's good this time. Wind's light in my face. Things are good. It's an 8-pointer. Came out over here first. I went right up and fed up that edge right to the corner here. Brett had a big slob 10-pointer. Some guy from the road spooked it. Does ran over this way, but the buck never came by. Might still be over by Brett. Just your run-of-the-mill 8-pointer for Illinois. There's Brett's possum. All right, it's a couple minutes after 5. It's too dark for me to shoot. You have about 7 more minutes to legally shoot, but it's too dark for me. I'm done. A lot of action tonight. I had that 8-pointer, a couple of does. Brett had a lot of action, a lot of big bucks. Jeremy had a big buck, winded him and spooked. So a lot of action tonight. So I don't know. We got one more day here in Illinois. It's tomorrow, and hopefully we're able to cash in at least one deer. So we'll see you tomorrow. Alright, it's 7 a.m. Sunday, December 4th. It's the last day of my Illinois hunt with Brett and Jeremy at Warren's place. Another nice morning, cold, no wind. I'm back up in that redneck that was at the first day. Brett saw a ton of deer over here last night. Bunches, like 3 shooters, a ton of doe. So I'm gonna stay in here all day, brought my lunch, and be here till dark. So hopefully we get some stuff moving, or hopefully, they move during the day, or they come back out in the corn at night. But I'm gonna stay here all day, and hopefully we get a crack at a big one. Hopefully. If not, though, it's still a great time here. On the last day, about ready to give up hope that I was even going to see a deer. I saw 3 in the morning, sat in the blind all night, or all day, didn't see a deer until just now. It's 4 o'clock, and this doe just walked up. Field there, Brett can see him. I got a glimpse of one of them. One's a 9-pointer, one's a massive 10-pointer. It's 5 o'clock on our last day in Illinois. I'm gonna call it quits. I got like another 9 minutes of legal shooting light, but there's a few doe out in the field. It was a good time. Brett was up in the same stand he was in last night. Saw those same big bucks again, same spot. We thought they would maybe move over here or catch a moving to the field they're in, but big 9-pointer. I think he's a 10-pointer, 9-pointer, a big 6-pointer. I saw a bobcat. That was kind of cool. Does saw the bobcat, and the does went after the bobcat, which was kind of cool. So this is it for my Illinois hunt. Me and Brett had a great time. Saw a lot of deer. Good activity, good action, nice bucks, good host. Everything was good. I really enjoyed the trip. Didn't get any deer, but that's okay. Thanks to our host, Warren. Fantastic guy, good cook, good host, good property. Really nice guy.